everybody. Well, it's a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. So in my house, when it's a beautiful sunny day, that just means one thing. Hey Jack, hey, when Mum sees the sun shining, what does Mum say? Come on out and let's go outside. Beautiful boy. Yes, you're welcome to come on out. And I know you want to. I know you want to. Hey? But the best thing about it all, Jack, is Mum's going to get Lily out too. So I think Jack is going to love this. I think Lily's going to actually love this, people. Not just Jack. To be honest with you, but my video isn't going to be about Jack's coming out, because I'm going to be taking him outside. It's about putting a name out there. I know I'm pausing a little bit here because I'm trying to figure out the right words to say. In the meantime, I'm going to open up. Lily's already been out this morning, but I have no doubt that Lily will come on out again as well. Well, I might have to give her a little bit of a poke, but I don't think it'll take very much. So okay, putting a name to the way I care for my snakes, and the name that I'm going to put there, and everybody can tell me what they think about it, because I've thought about it and it dawned on me today through somebody else that how I care for my snakes is very holistic, and that is the truth. I care for my snakes holistically, not in the conventional manner. I've always put myself in, I guess, the category of different. Just different. Do you know what? I'm not. But what I do is care for them in a holistic way. I think about not just their physical needs, but I think about their emotional needs as well. So, yes, you've got to feed them, you've got to give them water, you've got to keep their homes clean for them, all of those things. But for me, you have to look after them emotionally as well. And to do that is observing them. Do you know, reading your snakes, reading what they're telling you, is a skill. And you can learn that skill by observing your snakes. It's not hard to actually do at all. And I guess that maybe for some people it's more difficult than for others. But you really do need to learn how to read your snake and what it is that they're actually telling you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, well, Jack has made his way out. I'm going to scoot Lily along a little bit. I know she'll be happy to come out. It won't be about me forcing her out. She'll be quite happy to come out, and she'll be even more happy to come out and get outside. So I'm going to switch off for now and get Lily going, and then of course I will pick Jack up and get these two out in the sunshine for a little while. So I'll be back. Okay, yeah, I do have the two of them around me at the moment. It really is like, get the tub gay, you know. Would be so much easier if I've got a tub and put one in and then put Lily around my shoulders or something. But hey, Lily came out, Jack came out, and it was just difficult getting one and then trying to get the other without the other, trying to get in and get to where they wanted to go, and hard to explain. But it wasn't easy, people, but I did manage it. So, and of course I will spin you around because here comes my girl Mia to join the family. But if she'll let me sit down without me falling on top of her, and I can let Lily go, and I can let Jack go too. So okay, just let the guys get moving and grooving, Mia, and then I will give you, of course, your pats. Okay, right. So now that I have the two down, that makes it a little bit easier on me. It's much easier going inside because, well, I guess I could have let Lily out and she could have gone on up, but then I would have had to have, I could have had two snakes up there, and I'm trying to battle two snakes bringing them down, and it's hard enough getting one down. So lots of bees, people, lots of bees around at the moment in and on that clover. But I'm going to bring Lily back over this way. At least I'll try and bring her back over this way for a little while. And I'm trying to keep a camera and watching her and watching Jack and watching the cat. Very holistic, isn't it? But it is. It is very holistic when I think about it. My snakes and my cats are all, and my dogs are all very much a big family here in my home, where they all certainly get to spend time with one another and have got to very much know one another in my home. So yes, I very much believe in that, and I don't think you should personally worry too much if you've introduced your snakes properly to the other animals in your home, as I have. There is, you know, your snakes, get used to them and understand that they are not predators to them in my home. Of course, Mia, please, Mia. But I'm very much that type of a person anyway in my life. I look at the holistic side of being well and keeping well as much as one can, and steer as much away from the conventional as one can, and have done that for a long time in my life, I guess. I don't know how that came to be, or why that came to be. I was somebody that loved good natural foods, homegrown vegetables and chooks in the yard and fresh eggs, and very alternate in lots of ways with my herbs and herbal medicine and so on. And I think that just goes and follows through with so many other parts of your life, and it just came to be a part of my life with my snakes as well. And yeah, I would see it as me taking a holistic view on caring for my snakes. So you know, I think instead of looking at it and saying that I'm different, no, I'm not different. I just take that holistic view. Mind, body and soul. And you can do that too. No reason why you can't. But like I said, I don't want this video being no long video, so I just wanted to get that out there and put a name to the way that I feel that I care for my snakes. And let me know, do you see it as holistic? Because I think that's very fitting to the care of my snakes. So guys, take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.